Alright, question 8A. Color blindness is a sex-linked disease. Usually they have difficulty in distinguishing between red and green colors. Diagram 8.1 shows the inheritance of color blindness in a family. And based on this diagram, explain why males has a higher possibility to inherit color blindness compared to females. Okay, given to us here the keys where big B represent the dominant allele for normal vision, and small b represent the recessive allele for color blindness. So here big B is represent the normal vision, the dominant allele, and here the small b is represent the allele for color blindness. So here mother is the carrier while the father is normal. Okay, so the color blindness is a sex-linked disease that affect males often compared to females. Actually, because the genes for the colors receptor are located at X chromosome. So female XX chromosome will only affected with color blindness if both X chromosomes are defective, while males are directly color blindness if their single X chromosome are defective. Okay, so here during meiosis, male gametes with X big B and Y, and female gamete with X big B and X small b, meaning that the mother is the carrier for color blindness. And here we're going to have the genotype of X big B and Y. And here the dominant allele for normal vision and also the recessive allele with color blindness. So here after the fertilization, we will get so here we're going to have X big B, and here normal and recessive, and here is normal Y chromosome, and here is the allele for color blindness and chromosome Y. Okay, so here we have a normal pair. Here is the carrier, here is normal, and here is the colorblind. So generally, we have normal is 50%, the carrier is 25%, and the colorblind generation is also 25%. Okay, so this is in general. But according to gender, if you see, here chromosome XX and here both are considered normal, meaning that female have 0% colorblind. But in male generation, it is 50% colorblind. Okay, and then B, hemophilia and Turner syndrome are the examples of the effects of mutation. Explain the differences between these two types of mutation. Okay, so hemophilia, it is a bleeding disorder where a person's blood do not clot properly and that can cause uncontrolled bleeding. While Turner syndrome is a syndrome that affects only in female, where one of its X chromosomes are missing. Okay, so the differences between these two disorders is first, hemophilia can be inherited, but Turner syndrome is not inherited. And number two, hemophilia caused by recessive allele found on X sex chromosome. While in Turner syndrome, it is caused by non-disjunction of chromosome. So meaning that Turner syndrome is chromosomal mutation. And hemophilia, since it can be inherited, so it is a gene mutation. But in hemophilia, either male or female are found with normal karyotype. But in Turner syndrome, since it's only affect female, so female that lack of one X chromosome. So total, individual with Turner syndrome has 45 chromosome, while hemophilia has 46 chromosome. Okay, and then C, do you think there is any suitable treatment for Turner syndrome? Suggest the possible treatment for this genetic disorder. So yes, there is the possible treatment for Turner syndrome, whereby growth injection of hormone in order to help the child to grow taller, or maybe can undergo estrogen replacement, hormone replacement therapy by pills or patches, and to help trigger the growth of breast or any other sexual characteristic of individual with Turner syndrome.